When your bike boots up, it will enter the default screen, which features bike speed, time, battery percentage, and some other data. To enter the info screen, you'll need to press the following combination of buttons on the CBC controller. You'll need to press the middle of the yellow FN button, and while still holding that button, press the middle of the joystick button. The middle of the FN button is very sensitive and sometimes it won't work from the first attempt, so just give it a few more tries and I believe you will be able to enter the info screen. Once you are in the info screen, you'll see this information here. So to scroll through this screen, you'll need to use joystick button, push it down or up, depends on which direction you want to go. The first information is VIN number. That's the serial number of the bike, and we'll always need that information when you report some issue to us, so we could know which bike the issue is related to. The second information is CIM Software version. It indicates the software version installed on your bike. Greyp Cloud Connection should be always connected, because through that connection data is being sent from the bike to our environment and sent back to the bike. The logs are being sent, so this connection should always be connected. eSIM connection status indicates the connection through eSIM. That should be the case it is now, the connected status, if you haven't connected your hotspot, your mobile phone, to the bike. When you want to connect your hotspot to the bike, this information here, Wi-Fi connection status, should say connected to and the name of the hotspot you've set on your phone. Wi-Fi connection type, client. It should always be client. In case you see that it's hotspot, please contact us at Greyp. To exit this screen, you just push joystick button left or right. Right, you go to the pair bike that you will need to pair your bike in your application, and if you press left, you will be exiting the info screen and going back to the default one.